is said there are 6 web surfers M, N, O, P, X, and Y. Each had 30 stars, which they distributed among 4 bloggers A, B, C, and D. The number of stars received by A and B from the 6 web surfers is shown in the figure below. It is the bar diagram. Number of stars received by the blogger A and B report is given here. The following additional facts are known regarding the number of stars received by the bloggers from the surfers. 1. The number of stars received by the bloggers from the surfers were all multiple of 5, including 0. And the total number of stars received by the bloggers were the same. 3. Each blogger received a different number of stars from M. 4. The 2 surfers gave all their stars to a single blogger, and 5. D received more stars than C from Y. Now the questions are: what was the total number of stars received by D? What was the number of stars received by D from Y? How many stars distributed their stars? How many surfers distributed their stars among exactly 2 bloggers? And which of the following can be determined with certainty? Statement number 1, the number of stars received by C from M. And statement number 2, the number of stars received by D from O. So these are 4 questions. Actually, it is a question of CAT 2024, appeared last year in slot 1. So now see the solution of this set. Look here. The number of stars received by the blogger A and B is given here. So this is for A and it is for B. So A received a star from web surfer M, 10, and from N, 25, and from P, it is 5, and this is 5. So this is 10, 25, 5, and 5. Then about B, B means yellow bar diagram, band diagram, bar diagram, and here B received 25 from P and 20 from Y. 25, 20. It is given that 6 web surfers M, N, O, P, X, and Y each had 30 stars. The total stars with 6 web surfers is 180. And now look here. The number of stars received by the bloggers from the surfers were all multiple of 5, means here the 30 stars they can distribute either 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30. Okay. Number 2, the total number of stars received by the bloggers were the same. Total number of stars received by the bloggers were the same. There are 4 bloggers and 180 stars with 6 surfers, M, N, O, P, X, and Y. So if all bloggers getting same number of stars, it means each will get 180 by 4, 45 stars. Okay. Then point number 3. Each blogger received a different number of stars from M. The total number of stars with M is 30. Out of 30, 10 given to A. So remaining 20 he will distribute between C and D because he's not giving any star to B. So the 20 star will be distributed between C and D. Okay. And it is given that each blogger received different number of stars from him. So 10 given to A. So out of 20, M can distribute to 15, 5 or 50. 1, 5, another 15. So 5 and 15, 20, right? Then 4. 2 surfers gave all their stars to a single blogger. Means all 30 stars to a single blogger. M is giving 10 to 1. So M is not in that category. N is giving 25 to 1. So remaining 5 will give to other. And here 525, 520. So the only two web servers, O and X here will give all 30 stars to either C or D, C or D. And D receives more stars than C from Y. So D will receive more stars. So if it is A, then B will receive greater than A. This is. So let's see the final presentation. Look here. So A, blogger A receiving 10, 25. This is totals 45. Total 45. B 45. Okay, A has 30. Sorry, M has 30 stars and 30. And here 5, 25, 30. So cancel out this and this. And here 5, 25. And so 5 is left with Y. Okay, let's see this line. Number 5. D receives more star than C from Y. So Y distributed 25 stars. Y has only now 5 stars. And Y can give these 5 star to only 5 or 0 to 1, because C and D. Y will give star to C and 0, and he can give only one in form of 0 and 5. So here D received more star than C from Y, than C from Y. It means B will give 0 to Y, will give 0 to C, and all 5 star to D. Correct? So this point is clear. So now look here, D 30 completed, 5, 25, 5, 30, and here 5, 25, 30 completed. Okay. And here 30 not completed. Here 220 is left with M. It is given that two surfers gave all their start to a single roller. So, it can be only O and X. So, suppose here O gives all 30 start to C, then X will give all 30 start to D. Okay. Or O gives all 30 star to D, then X will give all 30 star to C. These are two possibilities. Now say M, 10 stars given to A, 20 is with black. So M can distribute 20 star between C and D like 5, 15 or 20. Because 10 is given to A and M, each blogger received a different number of star from it. So see, 20 is not possible. If you take 20 here, suppose M giving 20 star to C, then 20 plus 30 is 50, more than 45. So there is no possibility, right? Or if you take 20 here, then 20 plus 30 plus 5, 55 more than 45. So 20 is not a possible case. Okay, it means the only possibility is 5 and 15, right? So if M give 5 star to C, then 15 to D, or 15 to C and 5 to D. So let us take first this case 5. It is 5, then D will get 15 stars from M. But look here, the 15 and 30, 45 plus 550, more than 45. So it means 15 is not possible here with D. 15 is not possible. Okay, this is not a possible case. Let us take the 15 with C. If M give C 15 is still 15 plus 35, 45, it means cancel out it. And here M distributed 25 star to A, so 5 stars is still left with N. So 25 plus 30 means 5 will give to N. So now the 5 plus 5, 10, 30, 40 plus 5, 40. Okay, it is right. Similarly here, this case will be the 15 and 5, 15, 30, 45. Here it was 0 and 5. So cancel this. And here 25. So this is going to be 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 30, 45. So these are the two possibilities. These are two possibilities. Two cases are possible here. And now we can answer the questions. So let's see the final presentations. This way. Okay. So question number 1. What was the total number of stars received by D? Received by D 45. 45. In both cases 45. So answer is 45. What was the number of stars received by D from Y? D from Y 5. In both cases it is 5. So answer is 2. How many surfers distributed their stars among exactly 2 bloggers? Exactly 2 bloggers. So here this N 25 to A and 5 to D, and here P 5 to A and 25. Otherwise he is giving to 3, 1, 2, 3, and O giving to 1 only. So 1 only, it is also given 1, 2, 3. So it means 2 cases, 1 this is and this is. Answer is 2. Which of the following can be determined with certainty? The number of stars received by C from M. C from M is 15, and here 15 in both cases it is. So it is with certainties, 1 is right. Second, the number of stars received by D from O. D from O. D from O. In first case it is a 0, and in second case it is 30. So it means this is statement number 2. You cannot say with certainty. So answer is only 1. So this is your final presentation. Thank you.